Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just hit the subscribe button right now and click on the bell icon for you to get notifications whenever I upload a new video on this channel. So recently I created a Telegram channel. What I do on my Telegram channel is, if you have any questions regarding this video in particular or any of the other videos on my channel, you can just join the group link to the channel and you can ask your questions in the group, or you can also drop your questions directly in the Telegram channel. I'm going to be attending to them as quickly as possible. If you also want any videos made exclusively for you on my channel, you can just drop the topic of the video in the Telegram group and I'm going to be making a video for you on this YouTube channel as quickly as possible. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get free crypto by mining a new coin, that a new airdrop that Remitano just launched, and the airdrop is called RENEC. So for those that don't actually know what Remitano is a person-to-person service where you can buy and you can sell Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So Remitano is actually very reliable. I am going to put in a link in the description which guys to sign up to Remitano. So this is what the Remitano dashboard looks like. As you can see here, this is my Remitano account, and if you want to mine the new airdrop, you can just say right there, mining RENEC. You just click on mining RENEC and then you can click on mine RENEC right here. So you can actually mine RENEC, the new Remitano coin, using your laptops. You actually just have to download the Remitano mobile app. As you can see here in step 1, you download the Remitano mobile app and then you sign up as a user on your smartphone. So if you're using a laptop to watch this video, you can just whip up your phone right now, download the Remitano mobile app, and then you can come back to this video for the steps. So in step 2, you have to complete a simple phone number verification, and then in step 3, you just log in to the app daily and you keep mining RENEC. They give you a time daily which guys to mine, and then you have to come the next day before you can continue mining. For you to check how many RENEC you have mined, you can see directly on your smartphone, or you can also just come to your Remitano dashboard using your browser and you can see right here your RENEC balance. You can also come to your dashboard, you click on wallets, and then you are shown all your Remitano coins, and you can see right here the Remitano network coin. I have mined 0.24 RENEC. So this coin is actually very easy to mine. Everybody can mine it as long as you have a working smartphone with good internet connection and you have some power on your phone. I would recommend any phone from 2 GB and above. So that's actually all for this video. There's not a lot of technicalities. Thank you for watching this video, and if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, you can just hit the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to join the Telegram group to ask me any questions you want to ask me directly. Thank you for watching.